Hey, this is Kenneth Purdom with Real Estate Pro LLC, realestatephotographerpro.com. Wanted to show you some pictures that we recently did for an agency that works with luxury apartment complexes. And this is a set of photos we recently helped with. And it is amazing what you can do with a set of photos. You can use them on your website. You can use them for information pieces. You can use the photos for blogs, social media posts, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, just with one set of photos. I'm showing the photos they have edited and put it on their website. So they're definitely being used to showcase the apartment complex. That's a mock-up staged room, weight room, office area. They have office areas. If you live there, you have access to these common areas, gyms, pool, dog walking park. But it's just when you go through the website, let's just start at the home page. So a set of photos, you think, well, gosh, sometimes people say, well, they're expensive. Now, these are real estate photos. These are not architectural photos. If these were architectural photos, a lot of these elements like this exit sign and fire extinguisher, things like that, fire alarms, air vents, things like that would be edited out in architectural photos. Edit might be a little bit different too, but you can see here how the photos are being used for just general tone, vibe, give you a good overview on the home page. And then they have some vibey shots. We did not do these. These are probably stock photos that they pulled here, but you just see how on the home page, just from a good 3 or 4 real estate photos of the property, unit, and then some general kind of who their target audience is for, you can get a good feel of what this apartment complex is like. Then you go into amenities. They have a list there. I was looking to see if they used any of the photos. Let's see if they used community amenities. Looks like they did not put any photos here. Let's just click in. They just did a black and white list there. Let's see, gallery. That's where the photos are. Let's go back to the gallery. Here, what did they do for floor tours? Let's see. We can also create floor tours. These are like Matterport type tours. If you're in the real estate business, you're probably very familiar with that. Then you can also create, you can do neighborhood photos. So you can showcase the neighborhood. They just chose to go with Google Maps. I would have done a neighborhood gallery here, but that's all right. They just did, I would have done gallery and maps. And then they've done linking out to other businesses in that area to give an out-of-towner a feel for what's in that area. Contact page, I would have put a nice photo there, even a slideshow. Keep the images going. But they could be used on your Facebook too for posts, blogs. Looks like on this website they're not doing any blogs, but they are doing social media posts. Let's go over and look for their Facebook and see how they're using photos. Facebook. Here. Real quick here. And then do a search for them. And it's called Alta City. Side. There they are. There's their Facebook. Make sure this is Nashville. Yep. It's a corporate-owned complex, so they own apartment complexes all over. Now, this is some of their just their cell phones, cell phone photos. Even if you're doing your own cell phone photos, see how this is crooked? We could edit that and clean this photo up. If you're doing your own cell phone photos, nothing wrong with that, but we can clean those up for you. You can send those to us, and we can do a lot of things like that one. I could do a concrete cleanup. clean up here. We could do sky replacement. We could brighten this up, and we could straighten that up. So this shadows need to be brighter. Sky needs to be replaced. This concrete could be a little bit brighter so it looks cleaner. That's crooked. That should be brighter and straight. We could edit that to make it look like a professional photo, just about make everything white and bright and straight. So if you're doing your own cell phone photos, let us know. But you can see how here's a photo that we did being used, as a social media post. Here's some more of the photos that we did, social media posts. They've got some video. So you can just see how video and photos can be used in a variety of different ways to tell stories. There's one, I believe that's one we did. Maybe, hard to say. It's a good photo either way. But here's our website, Real Estate Photographer Pro, LLC. Let us know how we can help. We can do photos, videos, anything drone. There's a sample video that showcases our products and services, a list of our products and services. And then here is a marketing video, a sample of one of our marketing videos that we did for a community that is going to be built in Clarksville, Tennessee. Let us know how we can help. Thank you.